Hello, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be sharing this amazing hair mask with you. Guys, this mask will strengthen your hair, keep your hair moisturized, and keep your hair growing. If that's something you're interested in, keep watching. So for making this mask, we're going to start off with using rice. This is 1 cup of rice. Guys, keep watching. Along the line you'll see the other ingredients that I used. So we're going to make sure that we wash our rice properly. A rice hair mask is very good for the hair, but a rice hair mask mixed with the ingredients I'm going to show you as the video goes on is so good. This mask is one you do not want to miss. After washing, I drained the first water and washed the rice the second time. We'll transfer the rice to a pot and bring it to a boil. You know that water that you removed the rice from, this water, do not throw it away, just keep it aside. We're going to use it later. Cook the rice until it is properly cooked. It is soft, well done. Do not put salt in your rice. This is just plain rice. When the rice is ready, I let it cool a bit before adding my aloe vera. Aloe vera is very good for the hair. Guys, it has so many benefits. It helps your hair to grow. It helps to strengthen your hair. It helps to soothe your scalp. Aloe vera is so good. So it's one of the ingredients going into this hair mask. Make sure you wash your aloe vera properly and make sure that you let the latex drain out before you use it. So you're going to transfer this to a blender. Remember that rice water I told you to keep aside? Now that's what I used in blending this. So we're going to put the water. You eventually have to add a little more because I found out that it really got thick and I had to add. Make sure you blend it properly. Now, no matter how well you blend your rice, you have to strain it. This is something I cannot overemphasize. Strain it. You can either use a wig cap or a cheesecloth to strain your rice. Make sure you do this to avoid particles in your hair, especially with your natural hair, and especially of type 4 hair. You want to make sure that you don't have any particles in your hair after washing the hair. This mask is quite thick and it feels so smooth. This is what gave me after straining. But I want you to note here that I did not throw away the chaff that remained. I still put it in the blender and blended it again and kept it for future use. In goes a teaspoon of moringa powder. We just mix this up very well. If you want to put it during the blending process, you're free to do that. But since it was already blended, I left it to put it in now. Guys, we know that moringa is so good for the hair. It helps to strengthen your hair. It helps to grow your hair. It helps to give your hair shine. I added 1 tablespoon of sweet almond oil. Now I did this twice because you can see that some of the rice mask was on the spoon, so that's why I used it twice. You can go ahead and add whichever oil you have. If you have olive oil, you can add that. If you have some castor oil, you can add that. Whichever oil your hair agrees with will be fine, should be fine. Mix this up properly. Our mask is ready for use. This is the consistency of the mask. Guys, I want to know here that my hair is properly washed. My hair is properly washed, and so the hair is not dry, it's still damp. So I'm applying this on damp natural hair. The mask feels really creamy in my hand. I'm applying it section by section. Guys, you know that I like preaching applying your hair mask, your hair treatments in sections so that you make sure every part of your hair has the treatment. This particular mask will help strengthen your hair. It will improve the shine and smoothness of your hair. It will help promote hair growth. It improves the elasticity of your hair. It hydrates and conditions the hair. It enhances your curl pattern. You can see that it enhances your curl pattern. It reduces shedding and breakage. It helps to balance the health of your scalp. It also prevents split ends and breakage. This mask is one you want to have. I'll suggest you use this mask once a month to see great results. It has this woody smell because of the dried moringa leaves. It gives it this woody kind of smell. Are you a fan of rice mask on your hair? Have you tried it before? If you've not, I encourage you to try a rice hair mask on your hair. If you're watching up to now and you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Just click on the subscribe button, but on the side, select the all option so that whenever I post videos, you'll be one of the first to get them. If you've not given this video a thumbs up, please give it a thumbs up. It helps my small YouTube channel grow. It helps tell YouTube that you're enjoying the content. After applying the whole mask on my hair, I covered it with a plastic cap and let it sit for 30 minutes. Guys, time for washing. You don't need to use any shampoo or anything to wash the hair. Wash the hair with lukewarm water and you're fine. This is why I stressed on making sure you strain your rice, no matter how smooth it appears to look. Strain it, wash your hair properly, and everything will come off, leaving your hair feeling soft, silky, and smooth. I hope you found this video useful. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you for watching. You have a blessed day. I'll see you next time. Bye.